The Silent Saturday, finding hope in the waiting. Good Friday reminds us of Jesus' sacrifice, his death on the cross for our sins. Easter Sunday celebrates his glorious resurrection, his victory over death. But what about Saturday? That silent, in-between day often goes unnoticed, yet it holds profound lessons for our lives. Today, we'll explore Silent Saturday, the day of waiting, grieving, and uncertainty, and how it mirrors seasons in our own lives when God seems quiet, but he is far from inactive. After Jesus' crucifixion, his followers were heartbroken. They had believed he was the Messiah, but now he was dead and buried. Saturday was a day of silence. No miracles, no word from God, just waiting. The disciples didn't yet know that Sunday was coming. They felt abandoned, confused, and afraid. John 20 verse 19. Yet, even in the stillness, God was at work behind the scenes. Are you in a Saturday season? A time when prayers seem unanswered, when hope feels distant, when you're left wondering if God has forgotten you. Remember this: God is working even when you can't see it. Isaiah 64 verse 4 says he acts on behalf of those who wait for him. The disciples didn't fully understand Jesus' promise that he would rise again. Mark 9 verses 31 to 32. Their grief clouded their faith. Peter, who had denied Jesus, hid in shame. Thomas doubted until he saw proof. John 20 verse 25. Yet, the women who loved Jesus still went to the tomb, even in their confusion. Faith isn't the absence of doubt. It's choosing to trust despite it. If you're wrestling with doubt today, know this: it's okay to grieve, to question, to feel weak. But don't let doubt paralyze you. Like the women who went to the tomb anyway, keep moving forward in faith, even when you don't see the full picture. But here's the good news: Saturday was not the end. The disciples didn't know resurrection was coming, but God had already planned it. At dawn on the third day, the stone was rolled away. Matthew 28 verse 2. Death was defeated. 1 Corinthians 15 verse 55. Jesus appeared to his followers, turning their sorrow into unshakable joy. John 20 verse 20. Your Saturday is not the end. Your pain, your waiting, your confusion, it's not the final chapter.